Family systems and exchange theory have proved to be important in the human development and family science field. Today, I will be discussing aspects of each theory along with their contributions and historical context. I'll also be discussing the similarities and differences between these theories as well. Additionally, you will view an animation to help understand how these theories can be applied to real-life situations. Lastly, you'll learn important takeaways you should know after watching this video. Family systems theory was developed by psychiatrist Murray Bowen during the 1950s and 1960s. Family systems theory views families as a whole entity made up of interconnected parts that seek to maintain balance. On a day-to-day basis, we all maintain interdependent relationships with one another. Family systems are living and ever-changing. Because family systems theory was created during such an influential time, there are many historical events that impacted its development. One of them is the post-World War II era. Families and family dynamics were greatly impacted by World War II. Increased trauma, family resilience, veterans' mental health, and family coping mechanisms were all factors that influenced the development of family systems after World War II. One cultural context that influenced family systems theory was the changes in societal norms during the 1950s and 1960s. During this time, the idea of a nuclear family was increasing. Additionally, gender roles were beginning to change. Each of these factors influenced how researchers viewed family dynamics, therefore impacting family systems theory. Exchange theory was developed by sociologist George Homans in the late 1950s. Exchange theory suggests that a relationship between two people are based on choosing between rewards and cost. Rewards are elements of a relationship that have positive value. Costs are elements of a relationship that have negative value. They also involve barriers and alternatives. Barriers are factors that make it difficult for people to leave relationships. Alternatives are other options after leaving the relationship. There are a few historical contexts and theories that have affected the development of this theory. They include early economic thought and social contract theory. Early economic thought focuses on the idea of self-interest and rational decision-making. These are core concepts of exchange theory. Social contract theory describes how individuals engage in social exchanges, further supporting exchange theory. Family systems theory and exchange theory have many similarities and differences in their assumptions, domains, and levels of analysis. The first similarity between family systems theory and exchange theory is related to their assumptions. Both theories recognize that individuals and their social environments are connected. One difference between the two is that family systems theory describes how family members are interdependent, while exchange theory discusses how people engage in social interactions based on the expectation of rewards. They also have similarities and differences in their domains. Both theories describe understanding and explaining social interactions in relationships. However, family systems theory is more focused on family dynamics, while exchange theory is more broad, extending past the family unit. Additionally, both theories have similarities and differences in their levels of analysis. Both theories can be applied on a smaller and larger scale. Family systems theory can be applied to individual families, but also to family issues in society, while exchange theory can be applied to individual exchanges, but also to a larger scale, such as economics or politics. Watch the following animation to better understand the application of family systems theory and exchange theory. After watching this video, you should know these key takeaways. What you should know about family systems theory. Families are an interconnected unit in which the behavior of one member affects the entire family. Each family member plays a unique role in the family system. These roles may be beneficial or disadvantageous to the family. Communication is key within the family to avoid misunderstandings. What you should know about exchange theory. It is based on the idea that individuals engage in social interactions and relationships by rationally calculating the benefits and costs of them. Individuals expect that their efforts and social exchanges will be reciprocated by others in the form of rewards. And individuals are interdependent in their social interactions.